Welcome to this video on Google Ads Smart Mode versus Expert Mode. We are mastering Google Ads by exploring the 2026 Navigation Guide, focusing on Smart Mode and Expert Mode. To begin, select a Google Ads account or create a new one. The setup process starts by linking accounts. You can choose to use information from your business profile or not. Next, decide where people should go after clicking your ad. Options include your business profile, which is optimized for ads, or your website. This page shows a preview of what people will see after clicking your ad, available for both mobile and desktop. Enter your business name, which helps show your ad when people search for you by name. Notice the option to switch to Expert Mode at the bottom. If you chose your website in a previous step, you would be prompted to enter the URL here. Here is a preview of the ad showing your website link and a prompt for a service, which appears after clicking the ad. Select your main advertising goal. Options include getting more calls, website sales or leads, physical visits, or YouTube views and engagement. Choose the customer action your campaign should be optimized to deliver, such as scheduling an appointment or filling out an information form. More optimization options include customers requesting contact, a quote, or signing up for a product or service. Now it's time to write your ad. Provide headlines and descriptions for the system to test different combinations and optimize performance. Add descriptions and consider whether to include a call button with a phone number in your ad. If you are a professional marketer, you can switch to Expert Mode from the Smart Mode flow. In Expert Mode, you choose your campaign objective from options like sales, leads, website traffic, or app promotion, among others. Choosing between Smart Mode and Expert Mode is like the difference between an autopilot flight and manual cockpit control. Smart Mode, formerly known as AdWords Express, is the autopilot route. Its primary value is speed, making it ideal for users who prioritize quick setup. Smart Mode offers automated decisions, rapid setup, and simplicity. It's the set it and forget it option for your marketing budget. Expert Mode is the manual cockpit, built for ROI and precision. This mode is for the pilot who demands total control over their campaigns.